Good morning, children. Today, let us learn the proverb of necessity is the mother of invention. That means, whenever any problem arises, we must come up with creative and innovative solutions for it. Example, now the situation of pandemic is going on. The corona vaccine was invented. Is going on and according to the necessity of the patients. And some more examples like light bulb, wheels, money, telephone, satellite, polio vaccine. These are the inventions according to the necessity of the problem. So here you can learn that necessity is the mother of invention and imagination is the father of creativity. And you can see many gadgets. For example, you can see in this portrait, many gadgets were invented according to the necessity. And world's smallest satellite is called as Kalamsat was invented by a brilliant young Indian scientist named Raifat Shahrukh from Chennai. And here is a robot maker. Meet India's youngest robot maker now. He has invented a robot. Next, you can see the tiny miniature art. These intricate tiny sculptures will leave you spellbound. Tiny means very small creatures. Next, you can see driveless tractor. That is a driveless tractor that can save countless man hours by Yogesh. Without driver, the tractor is ride. And you can see the typewriter artist creating portraits on the typewriter is actually an art form. Typewriter can be used only for words, but now it is used for portrait. Now, next is unique chalk caricatures. The artist makes a unique chalk caricatures. That is, using the chalk, small creatures are created on that. And you can see that pencil tip artist. They are all Indians whose invention will make us super proud. Multiplication sums. First one you can see, children, 3847 multiplied by 431. So first arrange horizontally or vertically. So I have arranged vertically. So start from ones place. 1 sevens are 7. Start multiplying with 1 to the tens place. 1 fours are 4. 1 eights are 8. 1 threes are 3. Now this number is over. Now second step, start with 1 plus. 3 sevens are 21. So 2 carry. 3 fours are 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 3 eights are 24. 24 plus 1, 25. 3 threes are 9. 9 plus 2, 11. Now start third step with 2 plus or 2 0 children. Here we have 3 multipliers, so we get 3 steps. Now start with 4. 4 sevens are 28. So first write the carryover, then 28. Next, 4 fours are 16. Many children, they forgot to add the carryovers, but you have to keep it in mind and you have to add and write. 4 fours are 16. 16 plus 2, 18. Now 4 eights are 32. 32 plus 1, 33. Now 4 threes are 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. So arrange the numbers properly in the order. Now 7 plus 0 is 7. 4 plus 1 is 5. 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 0 is 1 itself. So now you get 16,58,057. Now let us solve the second one. Start with ones place. 5 5s are 25. Put the carryovers. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 5 zeros are 0. 5 9s are 45. Now start second step with 1 plus. Now 5's over. Next start with 0. 0 multiplied by any number is always 0, children. So you can directly write zeros. So third step, start with 2 plus. Now 7 5s are 35. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 3 is 17. 7 1s are 7 plus 1, 8. 7 zeros are 0. 7 9s are 63. Now 5 plus 0 is 5. 2 plus 0 is 2. 6 plus 0 is 6 again. 6 plus 5 is 11. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. 4 plus 1 is 5. 3 plus 0 is 3. 6 plus 0 is 6. So you can put the commas after 3 digit, after 2 digit, then after 2 digit. So you get 6 crores 35 lakhs 38,125. Children, you have to put many numbers and you have to try your own. And if you want to check your answers, you can check from your calculator. Next one. Start multiplying. Start from the ones place. 5 5s are 25. Take 2 as a carryover. 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 5 2s are 10. 5 8s are 40 plus 1 is 41. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 4 is 19. Start second step with 1 plus. Here you can see 4 multipliers. So you get 4 steps. 2 5s are 10. 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 2s are 4. 2 8s are 16. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 becomes 7. Third step, start with 2 plus. Next one, start with 1. 1 multiplied by any number is the same number itself. So 1 5s are 5, 1 1s are 1, 1 2s are 2, 1 8s are 8, 1 3s are 3. Next, fourth step, start with 3 plus. 3 5s are 15. 3 1s are 3 plus 1 is 4. 3 2s are 6. 3 8s are 24. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. 5 plus 0 is 5. 7 plus 0 is 7. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 0 is again 8. 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. 9 plus 6 is 15. 15 plus 2 is 17. 17 plus 4 is 21. Plus 1 is 22. 7 plus 1 8. 8 plus 8 16. 16 plus 6 is 22. 22 plus 2 is 24. 7 plus 2 is 9 1 1. So you get 11 crores 94 lakhs 21,875. Now let us solve the fourth sum. Here also we have 4 multipliers. So start with ones place. 3 3s are 9. 3 5s are 15. 3 6s are 18 plus 1 is 19. 3 7s are 21. 21 plus 1 is 22. Second step, start with 1 plus. 8 3s are 24. 8 5s are 40. 40 plus 2 is 42. 8 6 are 48. 48 plus 4 is 52 again. 8 7s are 56. 56 plus 5 is 61. Third step, start with 2 plus. 1 3s are 3. 1 5s are 5. 1 6s are 6. 1 7s are 7. Fourth step, start with 3 plus. Now 2 3s are 6. 2 5s are 10. 2 6 are 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 2 7s are 14 plus 1 becomes 15. So now 9 plus 0 is 9. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 plus 3 is 14. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 6 9. 9 plus 1 10 again. Now 6 plus 7 13. 13 plus 3 16. 16 plus 1 17. 5 plus 1 6. So here 1 plus 0 1. Now put the commas. You get 1 crore 67 lakh 6,499. Children, first watch the video, understand the concept, then you try with more numbers of your own. You can change any number and you can multiply and check your answers so that you can evaluate yourself that how much you are perfect with your concept.